How's it going, guys? Motor City Miner here, coming at you from the farm with another update on my CMP 100 210s. This is we're in the red squadron room, so these are all my V100s, as discussed in my prior video, V100 BIOS, that is. Um, and I've been going through and rewiring all these. I'll clip back to an old video in a second, but there's just so much wires with those dongles, because they take two 6 pins each that go to a dongle that go into there. I'll go grab one for you guys just to show you. Um, let's see, we got some out here. These are my box of dongles, like hundreds of them at this point. But I've been replacing these with a direct EPS connector from the 6 pin. I had the veteran miner. I'll put a link down below. I had the veteran miner make me a whole bunch of 6 pin to EPS so that I can have way less wires in these rigs, not have the dongle, create way more air room for cooling. It's just overall just so much better. So today, this is the last one. I've already done all the rest. Figured I'd show you guys what that looks like. And I'll put a link down below to where you can buy these from the veteran miner. But yeah, I actually have to grab the package. So actually, ironically, I ordered the wrong amount. I ordered what is that? 12, because there's 12 cards in a rig. 12 packs of 12, and I need 13 because I actually have 7 at the V100 rigs instead of just 6 for the regular CMP BIOS rigs. So I need another one. So I actually finished all the other ones a while ago. And I figured now that I got this last package for the 13th set of 12 cables, I'd do a little video for you guys. So we're going to actually get back in here. This will be the final one. So I got to open this package for you guys. Once I get this open, I will kind of go through the process of what is all the different lengths and stuff. All right, got those out of the bag. So if you do order these in only one pack, he'll package them so there's different lengths in different packages. So you can see this is 16, 18. We got 10, 12 here, so that'll be the short ones, if I recall correctly. 19, 20. All right, 21, 30. I think that's the longest, so we'll put that to the side. 26, 27. All right, and 22, 24. So yeah. There's our 6 packs of 2, and that's just helpful so that you don't have to try and figure it out yourself. Really appreciate him doing that. When I did the really big packs, he actually he bundled them like all the same size together because he just bundled 12 10-inch ones together, and then 12 12-inch ones, and 12 16-inch ones, and so on and so forth. So yeah, I'm gonna start putting these in. We'll cut back in after a couple just so you can see how I'm wiring them, and what I recommend, at least with these mini PC server parts rigs. So this is how I've been doing them. Essentially coming straight out, curling back, and kind of doing like a U roll type thing, just to minimize. But what I've been doing is essentially the first 6 cards, I've only done 3 so far, go into this side just because of the cable length, and then the last 6 go into the far side of the PSU breakout board. And what I've been doing is the closest card, so like these first 2 are the bottom 2, and then these 2 will be the middle 2, and so on and so forth. And I've been putting the one of the pairs, whatever card is closest to the PSU is getting the left side here. So that very bottom left, kind of hidden behind this one, is going to this first card. Then that one down there goes to the second card, and then third card, and then the fourth card will be the next one, middle right. We'll go there, and that's how I'll do it. So I'll keep doing that until we get to this side, and then it's the same process on this side. Another in-process documentation here. So you can see that I have the first 6 done. I do have 7 and 8, card 7 and 8 as well. That's not 7 and 8 in Hive OS. That's just on the motherboard. And these are going down to that bottom, like I said. The other reason I do this is These wires are thicker, so they're 16 gauge, so that they can hit full TDP on these without issue, which is 250. But I also do it this way to limit how much encroachment there is in here, because there is that stabilizer bar that goes across here. So it keeps the wires essentially to this back of the GPU. And also because it is thicker wire, the less you can bend it, the better. It is stiff wire to work with. So I'll finish up these last four, then we'll see how it looks. Then we'll plug her in, and should be good to go. This is kind of the final look here. You can see I put that stabilizer bar back in here, so and you can see all 12 are plugged in. Again, if you want to make sure you have your grills on the inside, if you're reversing airflow like I do, which works a ton better for these cards, that's just to prevent the cables getting sucked in and chopped up. But yeah, we're pretty much ready to throw the lid back on this. We got the lid right here. So much easier fit without all those wires. Whereas in my last video, you can see how much bundle is up on top of the GPUs in the back there. Now it's nice and flat. Nothing to worry about. It's great. I love these. Thank you, the Veteran Miner, for supplying me with all these. And yeah, link down below if you're interested in buying these for your CMP 100-210 cards. So I'm going to put the last couple screws in here, throw it on the shelf. We're going to start her up, and hopefully it works all right. We got it back on its bottom shelf, plugged in, turned on. But yeah, that's the end of my conversion of all these. It took weeks, I'll be honest. I mean, there's 13 of them. I got so much other stuff going on. You can see I'm still missing the 5th ASRock one. It'll go there eventually. Oh, I guess I should. While I'm over here, I guess I should unplug my testing cable. Don't really need that guy anymore. I'm just doing some, cleanup. I got all these cables. Oh my gosh, so much stuff everywhere. And don't need this guy either. Like, subscribe, comment down below your thoughts. Is there any content you'd like to see? Comment that down below too. I'll try and take requests. No promises. And that's all I got for today. Until next time.